Renee's with the man who's helping millions feel better daily with the power of one vegetable.
He's taken the world by storm with his books on helping people overcome illness and disease. With me now, Anthony William. Hi.
Hey, good to be here.
Good to see you again. I mean, every time I see you, I feel like a gazillion more people are talking about celery juice.
Yeah.
Yep, this New York Times best-selling author definitely has Hollywood juiced up.
I am on the celery juice train. I really notice a huge difference, like your skin and the inflammation in your body, you have more sustained energy.
Jenna Dewan, Gwyneth Paltrow, Robert De Niro, and Sylvester Stallone, all fans.
Why is it so popular?
It's getting people better.
The man, known as the medical medium, making a big impact round the world with his powerful remedy.
It's built up because of a storm of people healing.
Yeah.
This is literally organic, the first organic movement of our time.
What's been maybe the craziest story that you've come across so
Seeing
far?
people transform. Their skin is so difficult to deal with, like the eczema or the psoriasis being so out of control, or the acne. They've tried everything, and then they're doing the celery juice, and it's reversing.
Kim K revealing she's tried it to treat her psoriasis. Anthony revealing this about the drink.
It has to be celery juice by itself. That's a mistake made all the time.
Okay, I wanted to ask you because a lot of people are putting lemon in it. Does that change
It
the
changes
effects?
it. It stops it from working. You can't put water, you can't put ice cubes in it, you can't put lemon, can't put lime, you can't mix it with things. You lose that pathogen killing ability that's getting people better.
Celery juice, one of the healing tools revealed in his series of medical medium books, including his latest, Liver Rescue.
So many illnesses stem from the liver. So I needed a book that covered that in its entirety so people can heal. We age because of our liver. Our liver ages, then we age faster.
Okay. Thank you so much for coming by.
You're welcome.
Be sure to pick up a copy of Anthony's book, Liver Rescue, in stores now.